Hey, this is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts. We're going to go ahead and go over a broken windshield. This cart had a broken windshield. You can see the glass is not there, so it's gone. We're going to go ahead and put a new windshield in here. I've kind of jumped the scenario here as far as taking everything off. Basically, when the glass is broke, you'll have a clamp up here, and that sits on a riser, and you'll have two bolts, and you do have to take this loose on the inside. There'll be four small 10 millimeter bolts that you'll need to loosen up. Don't worry about it. It's kind of heavy, but it's got wires to catch it, so you don't have to worry about it dropping on you. And then you can get to the back side, and there's Phillips head on this side, and then you'll have a number 12 on the other side, millimeter, and that sits on a block. So you'll want to take these off. The new windshield will already have these on there, and the new windshield will also have this already on there. This will be on the new windshield. So I want to go ahead and take these off also. Same deal, you'll have a number 12 bolt and a nut. I just leave the bolts in there, so when you place the windshield on there, the brackets are going to be inside here. So what you'll do is just install the new bracket like that, put the nuts on there, and you're done. Same with the top. I'm going to get another tech here to help me lift this windshield because it's kind of heavy.
I already don't like this side.
All right. We're going to put this windshield in. Okay, that's got those kind of loosely fitted, and this will take this off here. Basically screw it into the windshield, and that could be at the potential, breakage. If you do it up here, you don't have to. You're not screwing the windshield in or onto the windshield. All right. Oh, thank you. All right. That's why it helps to have a second guy too. He find the bolts that you drop. And then you want to kind of look at the alignment. There is a little bit of play in here as far as where it mounts up. So you want to make sure everything seals good. All right. So we'll basically, these push out and clamp down. So the way they are now, you can actually vent them and pull them out. But we'll go ahead and I'm going to probably tighten these down first. It looks like it's going to seal pretty good there. It looks like it's pretty centered. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these two up and then tighten those up, and you'll be pretty much done. Like this. Just be careful with the windshield. Okay, that's that. These, let's see. So you'll have to hold the Phillips out here and then just kind of got the windshield in place. Everything works good with the vents and everything. We're going to go ahead and start buttoning up this section. That's 4 bolts. You have 4 small 10 millimeters that'll hold this up. Then we do have a windshield wiper assembly we need to put in, and we do have a roof to put back on, and then we'll be complete. The job will be done. So this is fairly simple. Basically it's a little heavy, so you just kind of get it in place, and you'll have 4 bolts, 2 on each side. there's inserts in the top here, so you'll have to kind of line that up. So I wouldn't recommend using an impact. Use a smaller screw gun if you're going to use a screw gun, or you can always use a ratchet. So that one. So there's 6 bolts altogether on the roof. Okay, and that will complete the windshield, other than putting the wiper motor on, which that'll just go in these 2 small holes and this, and then basically we'll lock it down. You can vent it by pulling these up, pull the other one, that'll vent out, or you lock it like that and it seals good. Everything is done, and they have a new windshield for their cart. And that's basically it. This is Wally from Dean Team Golf Carts.